Hello kids, let's have fun with the letter C. C. C is for cake. C. C is for crown. C. C is for cupcake. C. C is for candy. C. C is for cup. C. C is for car. C. C is for candle. C. C is for castle. C. C is for camera. C. C is for coconut. C. C is for cage. C. C is for cheese. C. C is for carrot. C. C is for canoe. C. C is for crab. C. C is for color. C. C is for chocolate. C. C is for cat. C. C is for clock. C. C is for computer. C. C is for coat.